Hey, how's everyone doing today? I have an unboxing here of the Apple iPad 10-watt USB power adapter. So I'm going to get started. This is regular Apple packaging. It's got the product on the front, some Apple logos on the side, small Apple, not serial numbers. Yeah, I got a little diagram here. Okay, so let me open up the box. It's not much today, just a little unboxing. So, yeah. This is pretty thick plastic. Looks like I won't be cutting it. Okay, guess I'm not going to be able to open that. Be right back. Okay, I got the seal broken, so why don't we go ahead and get started. This does come with the power cable, which adds quite more distance from your charger, so your cable won't. This also works with any other Apple device, iPhone or iPods, everything. Well, obviously not the iPod Shuffle, but yeah, it's kind of obvious. So right off the bat, we have the power cable, which adds quite a distance. It's got a nice rubbery texture to it. It's kind of squishy. So I'll get back to that. Okay, so now we got the... Oh wait, we have more stuff in the box. We have an instruction manual, in case you don't know how to use this power adapter, which I guess nobody will read. Yeah, so it tells you how to plug everything in. Okay, so back to we have a little charging cube that comes included with the iPad, the USB port, the plug. This slides out, and you slide this piece in. I'll demonstrate that in a minute. This will run you about 35 bucks, and a cable to plug in your Apple device to. So, get this plastic off. Yep, so this goes like that. Plug it in. So let's see if we can plug this in now. This is 3-prong cable. Okay, see if I could pull this off one-handed. It'll be very difficult. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it off, so you just pull this piece off. You're left with this. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that into here. One-handed. I mainly bought this for my iPhone because I needed a new charger. But since this is the exact same price as just this little cube, yeah, this tiny cube is just 35 bucks just for this, no cable or anything. You get all this stuff for the exact same price, and it works on every Apple device that uses a 30-pin connector. So it's such a great deal. I might as well do a size comparison while I'm here. This is the Apple iPhone brick. You can see there's a... This one is 10 watt. The iPhone one is 5 watts. So it uses more power, so I'm guessing it would charge your device faster, but yeah, then that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. See you soon.